how to turn on or turn off network alert available or network status notification on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Notifications. After click on Notifications, scroll down and click on Advanced Settings. After click on Advanced Settings, scroll down to and you will see Turn on Many Notification categories for each app button. After turn on this button, go back and click on App Notifications and click on this three dot icon and click on Show System Apps. After click on Show System App, click on Android System and scroll down and click on Notification Categories. After click on Notification Categories, scroll down and you will see network alerts, available, and network status is here. If you want to turn off network alerts, network available, and network status, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see network alerts available and status is turn off. If you want to turn on network alerts, network available and network status, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see network alerts, network available and network status is turn on. You will turn on or turn off network alerts, network available and network status from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off network alerts available or network status notification on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.